Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Fariha Farooq and you're watching 360 Digital English. Today we're discussing a very important and timely development, the 27th Amendment debate, political consultation and institutional strengthening. Let's begin. The interim talk by PPP co-chairperson at night is a reflective of the political process and consultative mechanism, which is the essence of democracy. The largest coalition partner, the PPP, has agreed to the required amendments in Article 243 and the establishment and scope of constitutional courts. This constructive approach by a major political stakeholder is welcome and reflects maturity within the coalition. It is extremely encouraging that we have reached consensus on Article 243. Such unanimity on a vital national issue sends a very strong message, and a clear message in fact to India and all inimical elements, that Pakistan remains united on its core state functions, particularly defense and command structures. While a certain group of naysayers continues to oppose or criticize Article 243 reforms, guided either by a narrow understanding of the issue or by their own political or personal vested interests. With regards to details on 243, it is imperative that sensitive matters linked to national security are not debated in public or in media talk shows. Pakistan has an elaborate and well-defined parliamentary mechanism through committees, where all details, drafts and implications of the amendment will be deliberated professionally and responsibly. Once the amendment is finalized and agreed upon by the parliamentarians, necessary guidance will be issued to the armed forces, enabling them to evolve organizational structures in the light of the new constitutional framework. The key requirement here is broad political consensus and oversight, which already exists. Once Parliament provides constitutional direction, the armed forces and relevant ministries will work out the most appropriate structure. This is an institutional process and should not be speculated upon in public forums. The narrative in certain quarters that the 27th Amendment has been parachuted has been well responded by the way it is being discussed and deliberated, and in fact, PPP press talk yesterday takes out steam of all such lies. The need for reform has long been acknowledged. Political parties have discussed its various aspects internally, highlighted differences, and identified areas of agreement. This is how political processes function. A collective debate leading to workable solutions in the upcoming parliamentary discourse. With regards to the 18th Amendment and related suggestions on population control and one education curriculum, there is complete consensus that the spirit of the 18th Amendment must be preserved. No political party has questioned its foundational principles. Well, certain operational issues such as resource allocation, provincial responsibility for education, population management, and effective devolution to the district level requires practical resolutions. All responsible political actors agree these issues must be addressed. How and when and the methodology sequencing are all part of the democratic consultative process. Can we address them through existing mechanisms of NFC award, CCI and other forums can also be seen. The way the process is ongoing also gives a shut-up call to those who say that there is a clock ticking, there are deadlines, etc. The process is being done in the most transparent and democratic manner, with government talking and engaging all the partners. And now my personal analysis. Let's make this absolutely clear. Those questioning this process are not guardians of democracy. They are attempting to shake Pakistan's foundation, and that attempt will fail. Publicly, decisively, and permanently. The 27th Amendment is not hesitation, it's assertion. It's Pakistan reclaiming its narrative, loud, disciplined, and unapologetic. This alignment between the parliament and the armed forces is not fragility, it's fortitude. To the critics, to the doubters, to the habitual naysayers, consider this your final reminder. Pakistan does not bow, it builds, it commands, and it leads. Well, I am your very own Fariha Farooq, and this is 360 Digital English, where Pakistan does not explain itself, it asserts itself. Pakistan, one voice, one command, and one destiny. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.